Hey, you've got a Zoom account. That's great. But now what do you do? The first thing you want to do is download the Zoom client on your device. Let's look at how to install it on a desktop computer first. Open a web browser. I prefer Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Navigate to the Zoom website. You can either use a search engine like Google and type in Zoom, and there it is. Or you can enter the URL, which is zoom.us, in the address bar. Once the page loads, you want to click the Sign In button on the top right. You don't need to sign in at this time, but if you choose to, remember that your email address is your username at vsc.edu. In the top right menu, click the drop-down for Resources. Select and click Download Zoom Client. Choose the Zoom client for meetings. This will open a download window on your computer. Make sure you know where your file is saving. I can tell that mine is saving in my downloads files by looking at the file navigation at the top of the window. Click Save and wait for Zoom to download. Once it has downloaded, click the download file to install the Zoom client on your computer. Here it is initializing and installing. When it's completed, it will show you the sign-in window. There it is. You can either join a meeting without signing into your account, or you can sign into Zoom and then join your meeting. That's it. Have a great time Zooming.